In 2018, Catalonia declared independence after getting more than 68 votes. This was the first of its own kind to happen in the entire Europe.
Before a manager, I'm a human being, so I'm a person. So I think in England knows very well what does it mean. So you did the Brexit, you let the people make an opinion, you allowed to Scotland to make a referendum about if he want to stay or not. So, and after the people vote, that is what they asking, and they are in prevention jail right now. So go out and after maybe be judged, okay? But there are more than 145 days. You know, everybody's innocent until the judge prove you are guilty, and they are not be judged. They are there.
That's exactly what Pep Gurdiola said when asked. He was campaigning for the right of those who were detained due to their demand for Catalonia to become independent. He wanted them to be taken to court and judged. He was demanding justice. On the 4th of March 2022, Pep Gurdiola was asked on the situation of Zinchenko.
Good evening, everybody. We'll do the hybrid version of the press conference as we did last week. So, taking questions in the room first. Anyone that has questions on the Zoom, if you could use the raise hand function remotely, and we'll come to you at the end. In the same way, we'll do that on the press conference embargo, which will be for 10:30 this evening. So we'll kick off with questions in the room. Then your comment.
Hi Pep, good to see you. Just want to check on Zinchenko, first of all. Obviously, we've seen what's happening over in Ukraine. How is he? What have you been able to say to him, and what support are the club able to offer him at this time?
Well, it's worry. What would we feel if our country, when we were born, we have a family and friends, is attacked, killing innocent people? How would you feel? So I guess that what he feels, and of course the team, the club is, of course, is close to him.
What are they able to do for him at the moment, Pep? Does he even need that? In essence, does he feel the need for support at the moment?
Of course, he has our support. That is normal. So we are people living every day together. It can happen in the country when he was born, when loves, because you grew up there, and he's attacking from outside to kill innocent people. And maybe he knows. So of course, it's a tough, and he knows exactly that we are here.
In the same year, 2018, Pep Gurdiola was criticized by many people, including his rival, Jose Mourinho.
UEFA have been big on clamping down on political statements. What have you thought of your knowledge of Spain, Pep wearing the yellow ribbon about Catalonia?
No, I think that our political ideology and our political beliefs is something that we have the right to have. We are normal citizens like everybody else in our countries and everybody else in our worlds. I know Pep for many years. I think I know what Pep feels about this country. To have it in football, I don't know the rules. If the rules allow us to do that, he is a free citizen to do it. But I am not sure if the rules allow us to have any political message on the pitch.
So between Pep and FIFA, which one was wrong? Pep Gurdiola was charged by FA for wearing the yellow ribbon in support for Catalan independence. This was reported by The Independent.
Hi, just going back to Zinchenko, have you spoken to him about whether he's in the right mental state to play games? I realise football is not the most important thing, but I just wondered whether he's going to play.
Yeah, we spoke, all of us. I spoke privately, personally with him, of course, and everyone, Dino and the friends and the staff and everyone, of course. So we are not living out of this world, and these are headlines, unfortunately, today, all around the world, and he's concerned. But Alex is an incredible, strong guy, really one, and of course it's not easy in the moment. But today in the training session, like yesterday, was brilliant. So he's ready to play just in case he has to play, and he's ready.
And he went to a demonstration last night. Is that the kind of thing that you would expect from someone who is concerned about what's happening in their country?
What would you do if someone aboard attack UK? How would you react? How would you feel? So it's what he feels. So, like, it's a way, what happened in Yugoslavia. No one did anything, and they killed themselves for many years. And unfortunately, around the world there are many wars. This is a new one. So it's a pity, because more than a pity, because innocent people is going to die, when these innocent people just want to live in peace. All around the world, the people want to live in peace. Have a house to sleep well, a plate on the table, some pleasures like movies, books, walks, and some people who love, and that's all. People, I think, don't expect much than that. And when you are not involved in anything, they decide, attack your country, and for help, I think I'm not so involved. I think it should be complicated to arrive at this point, honestly. But always is difficult. Always innocent people in this kind of situation pay the terrible tribute, to lose their lives for a decision for 1, 2 people, 3 people. So it's hard to accept, and still maybe we don't learn what happened in the past, in the previous situations. But right now, what happened in Syria, what happened in many places, like, at the end, the strong part always kill the weak one. So,
do you have a view on the Champions League final being switched?
As to the UEFA, so it's not. Well, I accept. If I broke the rules, I accept the fine. I accept the rabat. So I am a human being. It's just this term for humanity, and there is 4 guys in prevention prison, plus another guys who are outside from Catalonia. If he come back, they're going to be the jail. From being accused for rebellion or sedition, and to be that, you have to be weapons. And we don't have weapons. They don't have weapons. The weapons that we have is just the boats and the ballots. And that's why. So I said, so he's always with me, always will be with me until the last, because I think it's not about politicians. It's about democracy. It's about the help the people who didn't do absolutely anything, just to democracy, just to have maybe another opinion for the other one. But hopefully in the future, the Judicial Arena and the state, not Spain, state of Spain can help to these guys to be out of the jail, because maybe in the future we can be there. If we don't respect, a little bit what they have done, everything can happen. Before a manager, I am a human being, so I am a person.
They make another lie. Them crucify. That's why separation. They eye people in a